Modern life often functions like an empathy vacuum. We are constantly exposed to the stress, anxiety, and physical demands of the people around us, which can leave us completely energetically drained by the end of the day. We tend to assume that addressing this kind of deep emotional and physical fatigue requires a massive commitment, either a lifetime of medical study or some rare mystical gift you have to be born with. Reiki provides a more accessible path, functioning as a channel for universal life force energy, the vital flow that exists within all living things. Level 1 training offers a way for anyone to tap into this energy, regardless of their background. Instead of a decade of residency, you can learn the foundational principles of this practice in about 10 hours, usually over the course of a single weekend. The curriculum provides an interactive toolkit that focuses on healing your own physical and emotional pain before you address others. You have to resolve your own energetic deficits first. An empty vessel simply cannot safely absorb or redirect the stress of family members, friends, or paying clients. This diagram highlights the body's 7 main chakras, which act as spiritual energy points running vertically from the base of your spine right up to the crown of your head. This makes up the inner circle of the practice. Rather than needing to micromanage every detail, the practice relies on the energy's inherent intelligence to go where it is needed most, clearing those blockages and restoring a healthy alignment. Practitioners achieve this through tenohira, a traditional hands-on method. You simply place your hands directly on different parts of your own body, like resting your palms on your forehead or chest, and hold them there to direct the energy flow. Regular sessions of tenohira can help alleviate specific painful conditions. This includes physical issues like migraines and sciatica, as well as emotional burdens like severe anxiety and disrupted sleep patterns. As you become comfortable with these internal adjustments, the practice expands into the middle circle. The energy work leaves the meditation cushion and starts weaving directly into your normal daily routine. You can apply hands-free Reiki intentionally throughout the day. That might look like holding your morning glass of water to infuse it with a calming intention, or visualizing energy clearing your path while stuck in commuter traffic. You can even channel this energy while doing household chores like cleaning or cooking. It transforms otherwise physically draining tasks into active, grounding meditations. By sustaining this ambient practice, you stop operating from a deficit. You build up a surplus of energy, creating an overflowing cup that is finally ready to be shared with the people around you. That surplus brings us to the outer circle. This is where a balanced practitioner begins applying Reiki externally, offering treatments to loved ones, pets, and eventually paying clients. A typical session involves 2 primary methods. The practitioner either uses a very light, still physical touch, or they use a completely hands-free approach, hovering their palms just above the recipient's body. The hovering technique is particularly valuable when physical contact is impossible, too painful for the recipient, or simply inappropriate. This allows you to safely provide comfort to highly sensitive demographics. You can treat patients in hospice care, individuals navigating dementia, or even anxious rescue pets adjusting to a new home. But if you decide to transition from treating friends to opening up professional practice, you have to understand how local regulations view these techniques. There's a strict legal line between pure energy work and massage therapy, defined by whether you make physical contact with a client's skin. In states like Florida, the Board of Massage Therapy dictates that if you touch a client during a session and accept payment, you can be legally required to hold a valid massage therapy license. By mastering the hands-free hovering technique, you can deliver an effective treatment while remaining safely within those legal and regulatory boundaries. A proper Level 1 training prepares you for these realities. It teaches you to navigate the ethical and legal boundaries of running a business right alongside the mechanics of energy manipulation. We often encounter suffering, whether our own or someone else's, and feel entirely powerless to help. Stepping out of a weekend certification, you walk away equipped with a practical response. This universal energy follows the guide of your sincere intention. Because it is bought to possess its own intelligence, the energy flows specifically to where it is needed most, without the need for physical force or complex manipulation. Whether your goal is to launch a full-time holistic business or quietly comfort a dying parent in their final days, this technique becomes a permanent tool in your life. True healing always begins from the inside out. If you are ready to address your own energetic burnout, look for a local or online Level 1 workshop and start the work yourself.